Greetings, salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Come say hi down below, and if you guys are returning to the channel, get excited. If you guys saw the video, if the title for this video today, you already know that it is gonna be an amazing handbag rehab, and if you guys love handbag rehabs, thrifting, vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram, it's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, for more of like that behind the scenes and fun stuff. I love putting up polls for things that I see at the thrift store, asking you guys whether or not I should get it, what your views are on it, and I just like love that like interaction. And don't forget to check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale from my thrifted adventures. This item unfortunately is not going to be up in the shop. I think I'm going to be keeping this in the personal collection, but today, we're going to be rehabbing one of my newest thrift acquisitions, and I'm super duper excited. And if you guys want to see the thrifting video for this haul and like all that, hit the little eye right there. That window will pop out and you can select that video there, and I also have playlists for my other thrifting videos, haul videos, and handbag rehabs and vlogs and all that fun stuff. But without further ado, here is the item we're going to be handbag rehabbing today, and it is this gorgeous Chanel card case in this beautiful cobalt blue. Now, I don't know, like, I can't really see in the viewfinder if it's really picking up too much, but it is like, it has like a lot of like discoloration. Like there's like lots of light spots and darker spots, and I think that all it really needs is some leather conditioner and a little TLC. So we're gonna be seeing what we can do with this with just a little bit of leather conditioner and see how it'll turn out. So let's get down into the work area. Now I'll show you guys what we're going to be doing to this wallet today to hopefully make it look a little bit better. And honestly, I think if it just looks like this like forever, I would be fine with it. I think the lived in look of it is really cool, but let's see what we can do to fix up the color just a little tad. Alright you guys, so here we are on our little work surface area, and here is the wall. I think you can actually see it here better. You can see that it's like a little ashy. It's just like when you have dry skin, your skin will get ashy and it kind of like turns like light and discolored a little bit, and I think that just bringing more moisture back into the wallet is going to make a lot of a difference. So today we're going to be using my favorite Cadillac boot and shoe leather lotion. I am like so obsessed with this product. If you guys are watching, I would love it. Like, I love you guys so much. Sponsor me. You guys are amazing. No, but just kidding. But seriously, this is seriously my most favorite leather conditioner slash cleanser, cleaner, whatever. It's perfect for almost every type of leather. Just don't use it, please, on nubuck. Don't use it on suede, and don't use it on untreated leathers because it will probably discolor. So Cadillac boot and shoe leather lotion. I'm gonna have it linked down below in the description box if anyone is interested. This is my most favorite product of choice. And then just any microfiber cloth. I just got this from like a set from Costco. Comes in like a pack of like how many, 10, 20 or something. But we're gonna be using this. Now there's gonna be two ways to apply this. The first way we're gonna do it is we're gonna apply the leather lotion to the fabric. Or we're gonna shake it up just a little bit. And then we're just gonna apply it to here, and then we're gonna just do this in a circular motion, and look how like the difference that makes. Like, it's crazy. But we'll see how it works out once it dries. For things that are this dry, I like to sometimes I just like to add it with my fingers and just let it sit, and I feel like that usually does a ton of help. But look at how good it already looks just from like adding in that moisture that it was missing. Like, it looks like $1,000,000 already. Like, look at that. Where'd it go? The ashiness is completely gone. So I'm really, really, really excited about how it's looking so far. But you always have to wait first though, and just wait until the item is like completely dry that you're conditioning before you know for certain whether or not the color will stay like that. So now we'll do the back. Look how like the ashy the back is. Like, can you see that side by side comparison? Like, it's crazy. So again, just circular motion. Now what I love about using the microfiber cloth, the first round over the leather, is that not only are you conditioning and cleansing, you're also removing like excess dirt and stuff that is on the item that you're cleaning. So that's what I really like about using the microfiber cloth first. And then if something is super dry like this, as this is, I'm actually going to be, again, like I said, just applying it with my fingers. But I just like to do this step first, just so I can just clean it as much as I can first. Clean off as much as I can with the microfiber cloth. So there's that. So now I'm just gonna apply this with my fingers. I'm just gonna apply it almost like you're applying lotion on like your skin. I'm just gonna put it on there, just lather it on. And it's okay, like any excess you can always just wipe that off. But this item was just so dry when I got it. Like I could just like, it was just so like, it just needed a lot of like love, you know what I mean? So I'm making sure to get some of that inside part because there is, it's like leather but then it's fabric. So I just want to make sure to get all of like the leather pieces inside. I'm gonna move back a little bit, a little close there. But again, like I said, I'm just gonna apply this on with my fingers, and this leather is just like soaking it up, and like when you can actually like feel it, like it's it just like is absorbing all of that lotion. That's what I like too about using your fingers on this, because when you're using the cloth is definitely gonna absorb some of the moisture, because like that's what cloth does, you know, it's gonna absorb it, but it's also like lifting the dirt and stuff. But when you're using your fingers, it's not gonna do that, as like your skin isn't just gonna absorb all the lotion, you know what I mean? Like a good chunk is actually gonna stay on here. Though I know like a lot of people freak out like if it's gonna go on your skin, but like it's totally fine. Like this product is like totally okay to get on your skin, you know what I mean? So, because it's just like lotion, and it does have like it has like a vinegary kind of scent to it. Don't be alarmed, that scent is gonna go away like once your item is dry. It's gonna look perfect. So I am just going to let this sit. It dries fairly quickly, and we're gonna see if we need like another, because once you see it like completely dry, you can tell whether or not it's gonna need any more lotion just by seeing like if it's still ashy looking, because there's like a difference between like looking ashy and like have like the color loss. So we'll see how this looks once it's completely dry, and we'll see how much we were able to repair just by that. But like look at this, like if it stayed like this, that would be fantastic, because it looks almost like brand new again. Like it's amazing. But even if a little bit of that ashiness, discoloration does come back, I would totally be fine with it. I can already feel like certain parts, like you can just feel it with your hand, still feel dry. So like I just want it to get as much moisture as possible, because if it's soaking in the conditioner and feeling dry again, this is still dry. And that means it's still dry, it still needs more. So, you know, like I said, just like your skin, you just definitely need to moisturize your leather goods. That happens a lot, especially with things like this that you're always holding. Your skin will actually suck the moisture out of the leather too, because unlike your skin, like this is no longer like alive, if that makes sense. So it can't produce its own moisture anymore. So you just need to add conditioner to it every so often, especially when you're using it a lot. I'm also going to do the inside right here with my hands. But I'm so lucky, like I was so excited to find this wallet, you guys, and I'm not gonna like talk about it too much because I already talked about it like pretty much almost twice. In yesterday's vlog, I like actually showed this, and then I showed it again, but just like really briefly in the haul from like the day that I went thrifting. But I had to show this quickly in the vlog, just because like I was so excited, euphoric and giddy with delight, I think is like the only way to describe it. And I keep adding more and more lotion because I feel it just like getting so dry again. And I feel like this is just like, this piece just needed so much conditioning. Now the corners, some of like the actual leather has been like kind of removed, And I don't know if, like, I don't really necessarily know if I'm going to fix that. I feel like I'm fine with it. But to do something like that, all you would need is just a little acrylic paint. I recommend the Angelus brand acrylic paint. And you're probably going to have to mix up a custom color and just like touch up the little corners, and then it will look like it was. You know what? I'm actually going to do it. I don't know if I'm going to do it in this video. I might make a whole separate video dedicated to that, because that's kind of like a whole video in and of itself. And I do have a video like that already, and it's actually also for a cobalt blue item, and it was for an Alexander Wang Rocco in cobalt blue. It was like, it had a lot of color wear, color loss, color damage, and I just retouched it up, did a great color match on that, and I was really excited for how it turned out because it looked fantastic. And I'm hoping that this bag, like this wallet, will just need the conditioning, because I think that's really all it needs. It just needs more moisture, and you can definitely just feel it. I'm just like massaging like the conditioner into the leather, just so that like with a little bit of heat, it'll like absorb more. But look, it's so gorgeous, you guys. Like, seriously, look how pretty it looks. I hope it stays like that. But yeah, well, I don't know. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do another. Like, let me know down below if you guys want to see a video on it, because I did do a video on it, like in-depth video on how to do a color match, especially it's already like the same color. But I'll try to remember to link that video as well if anyone wants to see that. But you can just go to my the Handbag Rehab playlist, and it's like one of my like earlier videos on that playlist, and it's for a blue, or you can actually search for it. Just type in Alexander Wang Rocco, and it'll probably just come up. But my gosh, so like I keep feeling it, and then I just feel like all the conditioner like going into the leather. I'm just like absorbing it. I just want to bring back, like, the leather was still soft, don't get me wrong, like it was still gorgeous, but you can feel how dry it was. Like, it just was really crying out for moisture. So I'm just like, I keep adding more and more, because it really need, like, that's so crazy. Like, I added a lot. It really needed a lot of conditioning, you guys. But hopefully this is gonna solve our problem with like the ashy look of the leather. And sometimes it really is all you need. So sometimes like the leather conditioner is usually always my first go-to when I'm trying to repair something, because you never know what like the leather lotion might be all that you need. So there is that. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm literally just gonna let it sit for like 10, 20, maybe 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll come back to it and show you guys how it looks and whether or not we need to do anything else to it. But I'm hoping this is all it really needs. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am so excited. It's been like about an hour, and look at it. It still looks the same. So I am really, really, really excited. So this means that it really just needed more moisture, and look at that. Like, it looks fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited. So that is going to pretty much round out today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and checking it out. Like I said, please, like, leather lotion is amazing, especially the Cadillac brand one. Again, I'm going to have it linked down below in the description box. This video is not sponsored. I wish it was, just because I love Cadillac so much. But I love it so much, like, I always talk about it in everything. So you guys have to get it. Again, it's the first arsenal in defense for just rehabbing a bag is always the first thing I use. And also for keeping, like, upkeeping your bag. Even if you have a new bag, you do need to condition it every so often, protect it from getting dry. Because when you have dry leather bags, that leads to cracking, discoloration, color loss, and all that stuff. It's just like your skin. If your skin is not, if it's not, like, it doesn't have moisture in it, your skin is brittle, it's weak, it's prone to scratches, all that stuff. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm definitely going to be doing more handbag rehabs. I'm so sorry, I've just been a little bit behind on them recently, but this is gonna be the first one in a slew of ones that are coming up. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video again, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications. Don't forget to tune in today at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the vlog. Check out a new thrifting video or handbag, and probably it's gonna be a thrift video tomorrow at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye! Guys, this platter is so pretty, but it has a lot of like broken parts. But it's made in Italy and it's $25. It's so pricey, but it's cute. But no, I feel like it's a little too pricey for something that's Harry and David, Medford, Oregon. Those are kind of